Hi guys, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm so excited to tell you about a junk journal event I have coming up that has been in the works for some time. I am offering a weekly junk journal class that will be live on YouTube for paid members only, in which I will be creating with you, and you will be able to ask me questions as we craft together. Each week we will learn a new skill in bookmaking, and we'll learn it in bite-sized chunks. We'll be making everything together from the covers, sewing in the signatures, embellishing and decorating the pages. By the end of the program, you will have one completed junk journal with embellishments that is all your own. And best of all, no expensive supplies are necessary. And because I know that we live in a challenging time economically, I'm offering a payment plan towards the class where you can pay $18 a month instead of paying for the full amount up front. And hopefully that will help you to be able to sign up for and enjoy the class. And also, if you go to my website at thescrapologist.com and you sign up for my email list, you get an additional 10% off of anything in the shop, including the class. So if you're planning on signing up, definitely sign up for my email list as well. So I really tried to make this as affordable, fun, and educational as possible. It's going to be like a big craft party every week. I developed this class because I see comments on Facebook like these. I'm so jealous of people that can just flow creatively. I love to follow tutorials but feel almost paralyzed without them. Or this one, I wish I could make a journal as beautiful as the ones I see in this group. Or I have my supplies in front of me, but it is just so challenging to start something. I know that there are a lot of junk journal tutorials out there. I have hundreds of them myself on my website, but it can be overwhelming. Where to start, which videos to watch. So we're going to do a step-by-step process for making the junk journal. So I'll be here to teach you a new skill every week, and by the end, you'll have a foolproof method for making a perfect junk journal every time. And the sessions will be recorded, so you can go back and watch them anytime you want, or if you miss one of the weekly classes, the videos will be available for you as well. So there is a class limit. I can only handle so many people in the class because it is personalized. I want to be able to answer as many questions as possible. So sign up as soon as you can. It starts January 14th of 2023. And if you have any questions about the class, let me know in the comments below, or convo me through my Etsy shop or through thescrapologist.com. Convo me anytime, and I really am looking forward to meeting you all kind of live and in person in the first class. I'll see you soon.